Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you how easy it is to cook air fry frozen chicken steaks. They're absolutely amazing, and the inspiration came when we were doing our time and temp chart for our new product for the air fryer, and we were thinking about different time and temps, and these are the perfect size for you to be able to reference our time and temp chart and then quickly cook them in the air fryer. So we've got a pack here of 4 breaded chicken steaks. And I picked them up from Tesco's, but any of them will do. And then of course I'm using my Ninja Dual. And the benefit here is you can fit them in both drawers. Like that. Then in they go. And these are just perfect for the air fryer. So, air fryer on. Turn on the air fryer. And this is another one of those recipes I love where I get to match the drawers. So press the match button, air fry, temperature 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then we're going to start with a cook time of 12 minutes. And what's also great is that you can also do these in an air fry basket. You can fit 4 of them in an air fry basket. Or you could also do these chicken steaks in one drawer and then some chips in the other. And then press start. And then in 12 minutes we'll check on them and see how they're doing. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fry beginner topics and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on these chicken steaks and see how they look? Yay! Cooked and crispy. Isn't that what we like to hear? So you can use the spatula to get underneath them. And then you can see just how good they look there. And then another one. And then I just love being able to do both drawers at once. So, in with number 2. And wow, look at those. All 4 of them done already in the air fryer. So, let's slice into them and see what they're like. Quick knife and fork. Oh, fancy this one here. So if you look there, you can see that, and it looks lovely. So it tastes, shall we? Absolutely delicious. And so crispy in the air fryer. Although of course if you wanted more of a crisp to it, then what you could do, spray bottle, last few minutes before the end of the cooking time, and this will give it an extra crisp. But it is absolutely lovely and perfect for something quick frozen using your air fryer. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to RecipeThis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.